Assalamu alaikum. Today I visited a FOIB. It's a kidney center in Mirpur, and I'm fascinated by the facilities that I've seen here today. And when I was visiting, I was checking the one thing I was thinking about the hygienic and making sure everything is clean here. And I was amazed by see the standard here. It's like UK standard here. So I will encourage everybody, please donate to this place because these guys are doing a fantastic job here for the community of Mirpur community. And also it's not only Mirpur area, they're covering the suburbs of Mirpur as well. So if you live in Dadial, Chakswari, these areas, please make sure you give your donation, give your sadaqah, zakat and sadaqah jariyah, because these guys are doing a fantastic job here. And I met all the the admin here. One thing I really liked here is like they don't get any salaries. Obviously they pay the junior staff salaries, but the people who are running it, they're doing a fi sabilillah. So I encourage everybody to donate, and inshallah we'll make this place even better. Thank you.